वास्कोचे व्यावसायिक मुन्नालाल हलवाईन सप्टेंबर 2016 तेन्नाचो IGP सुनील गर्गा आड एसीबीत कागाळ केल्ली. चिटींग केसीत FIR नोंद करून गर्गान 5.5 लाखांची लाच घेतल्या म्हूण हलवाईचो आरोप. पणजे डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्टान एसीबीक गर्गा आड FIR नोंद करचो म्हूण ऑर्डर दिल्ली. मात हायकोर्टान हो निकाल कडेक दवरून गृह खात्याकडच्यान FIR करूंक मंजुरी मेळ्ळ्या उपरांतूच केस रजिस्टर करची म्हूण निकाल दिल्लो. हलवाईन सुप्रीम कोर्टात स्पेशल लीव पिटिशन घाल्ले. ताचो निकाल लागिल्लो ना. हो निकाल येवचे पयलींच एसीबीन खंय गृह खात्याक क्लोजर रिपोर्ट धाडलो.
I will bring notice to the Supreme Court that how contradiction decision is being taken by SP Utkrist Prasanna and DYSP Suchita Desai, though there is a recommendation by previous Vasco Silva and DIG Vimal Gupta to register FIR into my complaint. The decision taken by SP Utkrist Prasanna and DYSP Suchita is without conducting any re-inquiry, without calling the witnesses again. One more thing I want to narrate that after the lodging complaint against IGP Garg, 3 physical attempts were made against me. I always stood against corruption and preferred to file a special leave petition in the Supreme Court. I have one more evidence against IGP Sunil Garg with regards to the demand made by him through his touts Shri Baleshwar Sharma, which I will produce in the Supreme Court. It is pertinent to note that Honorable Session Judge, while pronouncing the order on 156.3 application filed by me, have directed ACB to register FIR into my complaint. This order was given by Honorable Session Court on prima facie evidence produced by me along with the complaint. The dismissal of the order Session Court by the Honorable Court is on the ground of technical aspect and not on the fact of the case. The ACB, while closing the case, have suppressed many facts, so also the official involved in closing the matter on the behalf of him without taking opinion. I will be moving for the contempt made by ACB while closing the case. So also I do not have faith in present SP, DYSP. I will make request to various authorities including Supreme Court to remove such officers from ACB who is protecting corrupt officer.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गावस.